We did today about an hour and a half worth of work. Pop that. Bam. One his brain. He's still alive somehow, some way. So where we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, see what's right there. Oh, guess who's got to go? Oh, I'm gonna have to go get him. He's there for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I gotta clean that blood out of my car. 18 iguanas and a zombie iguana under there that I'm about to go get. Trying to creep up to him on his blind side. God, don't you go nowhere. Oh, shit. Sorry, Lori. Sorry. Trying to bite me, did you see that? Got him. Whew, some work. Sorry. Back to that barrel we saw earlier this week.
For the dinosaurs.
You ready to hear me do it by myself? Let's find out. 1, 2. Here, go in there. Show them what to do. So basically I just changed out the ice, rinsed them all off. You see what we have in there. Go ahead and get some ice. So we're gonna change the ice. You see how many are in here? So, here's the rest of the iguanas. You know, we've been filling up with orders. So, I want to give back always. That's what I'm about. So, what I'm going to do is, we're going to reveal how many iguanas are in this barrel. Whoever subscribes to my channel, and if you are already subscribed, guess how many iguanas are in this barrel. And when I reveal it, the person will win a free guided tour with me to go hunt monsters like this. Very interested. Good luck to all contestants, all winners. There might be 2, 3 winners. I don't know yet. Let's see how many people participate. Don't forget to subscribe. You're ready to subscribe. Don't worry about it. Just in the comments below, put your guess, and you'll be entered to win. And whoever gets the correct amount without going over or under wins. Good luck to all. Lately we've been doing a lot of males, but today we got a lot of females. The work we put in here, These are 4 right here. How many you think are in there? How many you think are in there, boss? So once again, boss, how many you think are in there?
About a good 45, because they so big, man. But it's halfway full. Almost full. Look, it won't even go all the way in.
That's your tip. You know, you're helping the peoples win this contest, so, you know, get your best educated guess, because you're here right now. No one else is. So, I've never seen anyone fill up a barrel. Have you?
Hell nah.
We got it, bro.
And that barrel at least 4 feet high.
Hard work, but gotta do what we gotta do. Woo.
Crazy, man.
Everything pounds, right? No, hell no. Iguana King, call me Iguana God. Whatever you guys want.
That rhyme with Iguana guy.
Iguana guy, Iguana God. That's how
I like that. Look at that. Good.
I don't see no one else doing what I'm doing.
It's a crazy man job.
Somebody's got to do it. Stop it.
Second ice trip.
Already got the first load. Here's another load. Oh, it's easy. Yeah, right. That's during the day. This is the night.
That's a nice cooler.
Of course, Yeti, but they don't sponsor me, but I still show them love. Yeti is thevarm.com.
The iguanas don't never stop, man.
Let me see if I can get this last load in.
They don't never stop.
No, it's all day, all night, man. They think it's just during the day and it's hot sun, and at night, what you think? These iguanas just take care of themselves?
Cool.
Absolutely not.
Lord.
We got 2 iguanas in that cage. It's 3. I want them for the count,
Blood, sweat, and tears. Third batch of ice. Oh, Lord.
1 more left. So, you know, my day starts. I wake up usually 4 or 5. Check my messages to see what traps hit. We do raccoons, possums, other types of wildlife. Then I try to get those first so they're not in the sun all day. Then the iguana. And then nighttime, we're still working. I gotta go back out there, set the traps up tonight as well for the raccoons and everything. And I'm still dealing with these earlier in the day.
Grind don't never stop.
Hey, I'm hungry. And, you know, can't sit on your ass all day. You gotta get up and do something. No one's gonna do it for you.
Amen. Nah, I think I done lowballed all this ice.
My brother hooks me up. I ain't paying for it. I look out. Last bag, we're gonna top it off. And once again, how many iguanas are in the blue barrel? There'll be a couple winners. Just, you know, first prize will definitely get a free guided tour with me. Any way they want to hunt, you can bring any tool you want. You like your blow dart, you like the bow, you like your pellet gun. Bring whatever you want. We'll do it your way all day. So here goes the top. We can call it an iguana night.
Nightcap.
Other stuff to do.
Nightcap.
Let me see that line. I end up always putting this backwards. I don't know why. I actually had it all night. Can you believe it? Please tell me if you've seen someone else fill up a barrel before of iguanas. Barrel of monkeys, barrel of iguanas.
How tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot. Look where it's at. Look, that's at least a 4-foot container. Dang.
It's really on good. It's melting. Oh!
Ooh.
That's a couple 100 pounds, I promise you that. That's a couple 100. But Iguana Lifestyle, Iguana Guy. Good luck once again for everybody that enters the contest. In the comments below, how many do you think's in here? And you have to be subscribed. And those are the official rules only. Good luck to all. And this is what we do, baby.